Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, traction control, stability control, power brakes, rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, Stitcher, cruise control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.